We just sitting here chilling with the butt.
Are you dying? Go ahead and pick it up. Pick it up.
What?
Your bottom jaw.
What's up, everybody? My name is Andrea. If you're new here, and if you are, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and welcome back to another video. Okay guys, I hope you had a beautiful and safe long holiday weekend. I know I enjoyed my break. I took a little break from YouTube, but we're back with some heat.
This trip got you in heat.
The pieces I'm going to be sharing with you today were so good, I swiped first and asked questions later. So let's hop right into the haul. Now, one thing's for certain, two things for sure. If it's marble or if it's a sculpture, I'm probably going to buy it.
That's my pleasure.
They're just my things. Now, I clearly love a female statue, a female sculpture. I really feel like the human body is art. Clearly, I have shared these with you guys before in the past, and I still love these. They're still in my home, you know, decorating little spaces, but I wanted an RH sized one at a budget-friendly price. So after searching high and low for several months, I think I finally found the perfect piece. Are you dying? So good, right? So this is a piece I found in Overstock. It was around $150. I will link her down below for you. Now, of course, when I move into a bigger space, I'm gonna want an even bigger one. But for now, this is perfect. It's not too big where it's gonna overcrowd the space and not too small where it'll get lost in the rest of my decor. She's just so good. All her curves are on display. She's just giving legs and hips and body. Just amazing. I love the gray tones in this piece. It has cool and warm gray tones. Very refined, rustic, I like to call. And I've been looking for the perfect piece to kind of refresh my pedestals in my living room. And I love the way statues and busts look on a pedestal. They just look very elevated and very high end. So she fits perfectly on my black one. Now, when I saw her online, I thought the whole stand was going to be black, but when I got it in the mail, I was pleasantly surprised because the pole that she stands on is actually kind of an ombre copper to black. And you guys know, if you have seen my living room tour, all my living areas like my kitchen, dining, and living room, they're all grays, blacks, and a little bit of browns, like wood tones. So I thought this would fit perfectly at that little bit of a brown flare, and it's just the perfect touch in there. I'm so excited to have this. Like I said, I will have this link down below for you, and yeah, that's her. Okay, these next pieces, get ready to swipe. Just go ahead and get your card out because they're from H&M Home, and you guys know all the good stuff sells out really quickly and the restocks are few and far between. So bam, go ahead and pick it up. Pick it up.
What?
Your bottom jaw.
This piece is amazing. So good. I did share this on my Instagram stories as soon as I got it in the mail because it's of course easier to post something real quick on my phone before I get to YouTube. So consider following me over there because I usually do share all the stuff I get, little sneak peeks if I feel like it's gonna sell out really quickly. But I just, this is just,
Oh God, oh no, oh no, oh no.
I can't put into words how much I love this piece. It's everything dope, okay? Looks so custom, so high end, just so expensive, but it wasn't. I love the texture on it. It legit looks like there's pieces of sand in it that are just stuck, and I love the, what you call this, ripples or ridges, or I just love the little fine line details that are in it. I love how lopsided it is. It gives it a little bit of extra character. And it actually had two coordinating pieces to go with it. I was waiting for the big vase and the candle holder to come in. Oddly enough, and the heavens smiled upon me, because right before I filmed this video, I got a text that the candle holder had came in. So this is the candle holder. It is a little warmer than this vase right here, but I don't mind that at all. Just gives a little bit more color variation, if you will, so it's not too matchy. So of course you can stick like a taper candle in here if you excuse me. You can stick a taper candle in here if you want to. Right now I think I'm just gonna leave it how it is, unless I want to like light a candle for like a meal or something. And they coordinate really well with my little makeshift sculptural piece that I did. I just literally stacked these two planters together to give that sculpture effect, and just look. Like, do you see what I mean? Like, you just get those little fine lines and waves and just all the great things. So yeah. Oh, it's plastics. It's plastic, it's fine. Like I said, I got all three of the pieces. I'm waiting for the bigger piece to come in the mail. I saw this one first on the site, and then I saw this one, and then I saw the bigger base like a day later. So they didn't launch them. I'm so excited I can't talk. They didn't launch them all at the same time, but I got them within a 2-day span, and they are still on the site. Last time I checked, which is like 5 minutes ago, they're still on the site, so hurry up. Go get them. They are actually very reasonably priced too, and I got them during the holiday sale. The sale is over by now. Sorry, so I don't control the sale times. Of course, they did something for Memorial Day, and I let you guys know over on Instagram that they were on sale. So I got this one first. Like I said, she was $30. I got her for $23. This one was $18. I got her for $13. And the bigger one was $50. I got her for $40. But even if you get it at full price, it's still a really good deal. I would just snatch these up if I were you. Like I said, swipe first, ask questions later, but you will not regret these pieces. I am still shopping for the perfect pieces to go on my Andrea layer, and luckily I was in Homegoods and found this amazing pillow. It was $34.99, and I actually have the gray one just like this. So here is the gray one, same pattern, same company. They are by Venezia Home. I'll try to remember to put the style number down in the description box. The subscriber actually, you know, suggested I do that, and I was like, that's a really good idea. So I'll try to put the reference number down in the description box from now on to help you guys find these pieces at Homegoods. So I'm thinking I'll put this one in one seating area, and these, I have two of the gray ones. I'll put two of these on the other two seats that I have planned to put in that space, so I can have those cool and warm tones. Like I said, they complement each other really well because they're literally the same pillow, just different colors. Now I will say, I got the gray ones maybe like 2 years ago, and they came with a feather filled insert. This one is more of a down alternative, or maybe even a polyester feel, but I can change that no problem. I just thought that was really interesting that it was the same price as the other ones, but a little bit less expensive insert.
You ain't slick. Yeah, you ain't slick.
Yeah, maybe the budget got cut or something and trying to cut some corners, but it's still good nonetheless. I'm too hyped though. Like, the little subtle pattern that it has in it is really gonna give me that RH Moroccan feel that I'm going for in that space. And yeah, it's just so good. Last but not least, I got another statue. Now, I will say I'm usually very leery about getting pieces like this because they can be kind of different looking. Just different looking. I don't want to offend anybody or call it scary or anything, because it's not scary. It's just a little bit different than what I'm used to. But he looks pretty friendly to me. Like, he has a muted, pleasant look on his face, and I prayed over him, so we good.
We see each other. We see each other. We good.
I actually found this at Ross, and he was on clearance for $8.99. Yes, $9. I couldn't pass it up. I have seen pieces like this all over Pinterest, on Etsy, and they're $100 and up, so I thought that was a steal. He is made from stone and has some weight to him, and I just think he's so cool. Adding pieces like this to a modern space, even a rustic space, really brings in that tribal element and just kind of makes your place feel a little more well-traveled. So I feel like he's going to capture my little Moroccan, wobby, Belgian modern vibe in there. And yeah, I love his cool and warm tones of gray. I guess that's the theme of this whole video, is cool and warm tones, like mixing them. And he just has some really good detail on him down here at the bottom. There's detail on the front and back, top to bottom, and I just feel like he's gonna be the perfect touch in my little room in there. And yeah, like I said, $9, I couldn't beat it, so I got him. Okay guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. I hope the video was inspiring to you guys and you're able to get your hands on some of these pieces. Let me know down in the comments if you have any questions, if I forget to link anything, but it's not that many pieces, so I should be able to. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental health, and I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, peace out.